Let's first recall how regular
Call of Duty Black Ops Roman 3. Developer Treyarch. Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. Developer High Moon Studios Sledgehammer Games. Just Cause 3. Developer Avalanche Studios. Age of Wonders Planetfall. Developer Triumph Studios. Evolve. Developer Turtle Rock Studios. Kerbal Space Program. Developer Squad. Cloudpunk. Developer Ion Lands. The Surge 2. Developer Decker-Team Interactive. Observation. Developer No Code. Crackdown 3. Developer Sumo Digital. Surviving Mars. Developer Hemimont Games. Stellaris. Developer Paradox Development Studio. Quantum Break. Developer Remedy Entertainment. Star Wars Squadrons. Developer Motive Studios. Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. Developer Respawn Entertainment. Shadow Complex Remastered. Developer Chair Entertainment Epic Games. Star Wars Battlefront Roman 2.
One-track recording is accomplished.
Developer E-Dice. The Outer Worlds. Developer Obsidian Entertainment. Axiom Verge. Developer Thomas Cat Games. 2077. Developer CD Projekt Red. Observer. Developer Bluebird Team. XCOM 2. XCOM 2. No Man's Sky. Developer Hello Games. Assassin's Creed Unity. Assassin's Creed Unity. Assassin's Creed Syndicate. Developer Ubisoft Quebec. Deus Ex Mankind Divided. Elite Dangerous. Destiny. Developer Bungie. Overwatch. Developer Blizzard Entertainment. Destiny 2. Developer Bungie. Metro Last Light. Gears of War 4. Developer The Coalition. Halo 5 Guardians, Warframe, developer Digital Extremes, Fallout 4, Mass Effect Andromeda,
To understand how this
developer
can be done, let's first recall
BioWare,
how regular one-track recording is accomplished.
Alien Isolation, developer The Creative Assembly, Doom, developer ID Software, Prey, developer Arkane Studios, Halo, the Master Chief Collection, Halo, the Master Chief Collection, Titanfall 2, developer Respawn Entertainment.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.